Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Mi 10i versus the Poco X3 device. So, which is best for the gaming? So, this complete video I'll be talking only in terms of the gaming point of view. So, a lot of users they did ask me the question that which phone is the best for the gaming, because recently the Mi 10i has been launched in India. So they are really confused whether to spend extra money on this phone or whether to select the Poco X3 for this kind of best budget value mobile phone in this range. So let's see friends, in this video I'll be trying to discuss all these following 5 categories which are really important for the hardcore gamers. So first thing is the processor, then I'll talk about the display and refresh rate and even touch sampling rate as well, and battery and charging features and the build quality. So finally we'll come into the conclusion that which phone is best in what category and how you need to choose, and what are the things you need to remember as well. So just in case friends, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for more details about this Poco X3 device and the Mi 10i device. So recently I did finish uploading I think more than 250 videos on the Poco X3, and Mi 10i I'm about close to 100 videos as you can clearly see here. So make sure to subscribe and also do support me friends by sharing my channel with your friends in case if they are planning to buy any smartphones. So let's get started with the first thing is that in terms of the processor, I'm using the Poco X3 for I think more than 3 to 4 months I'm using the device, and it's been 1 month with this Mi 10i device. And during this time, regarding the processor, the Poco X3 has Snapdragon 732G and the Mi 10i has a Snapdragon 750G. So there's a little bit kind of a difference, but if you ask me which processor is the best, I would definitely pick this Snapdragon 750G friends, ultimate processor I'm saying. So I'm not saying just because of the number is more, but I did test lot of gaming, especially the 120 fps gaming, so which I did multiple videos. If you notice me, I did a video or recently I think comparing 120 fps gameplay between both of the phones, so where the Snapdragon 750G did perform very good. So try to watch this video particularly. That video will be helping you a lot in terms of knowing how much powerful the Snapdragon 750G can be there. So for this kind of price range, for this 20,000 rupees, so this phone has seriously a lot of potential, which is close to the Snapdragon 855. But this is not this cannot beat the 855, but this kind of close to that. So in terms of the Poco X3, there's nothing wrong in the Poco X3. It's even this is also very good, even budget gaming mobile phone. I did give a lot of awards for this mobile phone as well. So as I said, I'm using so many applications in my device and there is no lag, no delay, but you will get little bit of higher frame rates, so slightly higher fps in this Snapdragon 750G. So if you get maybe 90 fps in the game, in the 750G you will get around 115 fps or 110 fps. So that is what the difference is. So in terms of the processor, I am giving points to this Mi 10i device. If your budget is very low and limited, then don't worry, you can buy this Poco X3 device without any problem. So next thing friends, if you bought the phone based upon my reviews, so make sure to comment below how you're feeling about the device as well about the Poco X3. So next thing about the display. So in terms of the display and refresh rate, both phones are having the same kind of panel, same display, same quality. Everything is gonna be same in both the phones. There is nothing change at all in terms of the display. So there's no point at all talking in terms of the display. So it's kind of draw between both of the phones. So next, the third point. So third point is the area where most of the users really like the Poco X3 device, because the Poco X3 has got the 6000 mAh of battery, so which is really huge and very good for the long time gaming. So you will get around 6 to 7 hours of PUBG gaming in this phone. But Mi 10i has the 4800 mAh of battery, which is quite a low when you compare with the Poco X3. So you can expect 1.5 hour less gameplay in this device. So that's what you need to remember before buying this both the phones. So it depends upon the users. So some people they like battery life, some people they like fast charging, but in this case both phones they're having the same kind of fast charging, so this doesn't make any difference why people will be choosing this phone in terms of the battery. So overall in terms of the battery, I'm giving very much points to this Poco X3 phone. So next, the first one goes to the Mi 10i, second one is raw, third one goes to the Poco X3, fourth one also is the kind of draw between both the phones. So the reason why I'm saying is because both phones they're having the same kind of real-time FPS meter. You can see this is a real-time FPS meter which is available in both the phones. It's available, and both phones have the same kind of game turbo features, and where you will be having the voice changer and color enhancement, color boost options. Lot of different things will be there. So in terms of the features, both phones are same. Poco and the Mi kind of same, so there's nothing change. In the build quality, one thing I particularly like in this Mi 10i is because the loudspeaker is not too much vibration. So in terms of the Poco X3, I used to feel the vibrations on the back panel whenever I'm trying to play in the high volume. So that is what I did notice. But later on with the update, it got fixed little bit. But there is another trick how you can decrease the vibrations. So make sure to check that playlist and you will find that video. So overall friends, in terms of the build quality, both are having the dual speakers and slightly 10 grams more than this Mi 10i. Poco X3 is kind of 225 and Mi 10i is kind of close to 213 or 214, I think 215 maybe. So overall you can see the difference of 10 grams. So that's not a big deal, I would say, definitely. So final conclusion, which phone is the best? So now if you're having the budget, and if you don't care about the battery life, then definitely you can buy this phone friends because of the processor. If you want a processor, buy the Mi 10i. If you want the great battery backup and within less budget, then Poco X3 is the best option. So it doesn't matter friends, at the end of the day, even if you buy the Poco X3, it will be working very good. Even if you buy the Mi 10i, it works very fine without any issues. So these are the kind of few comparisons in terms of the gaming point of view, only in terms of the gaming. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.